Hello YouTube. Today we will be repairing the loop between the body and the driver's door on the Passat B6. Because of the moisture in the connector, two wires are damaged due to corrosion and the door does not work completely. The design of the door is complicated, but we will not dismantle it completely, and make all repairs through the hole from the speaker. It is big enough for our convenience. We drill out the rivets from the speaker, put it aside and take out the connector inside the door. This is where the new wiring will be connected to the old wiring. The brown wire has insulation damage and has begun to corrode. It will last about a year until we fix it. We need to replace the two pins of the connector. For this I have a donor wire from Golf 6. I disassemble the connector and I will use these pins to fix our car. To disassemble the connector, you have to move the red pin, then on the side of the contact hole, with a sharp object above and below the contact, unlock the pin locks and pull it out of the socket. Connection of new wires, I will do in a fixed and dry place inside the door. The remnants of the pin will be quite difficult to pull out of the connector. After that will remain only to fix the rubber conduit that comes out of the door. It is the most difficult task in this process. Install the speaker and the door trim in their places. Thanks for watching, subscribe to the channel. Good luck!